These are the elevators at the Holiday Inn Express and Suites in Nokomis, Florida. They're ThyssenKrupps. Let's go up to 4. Installed, I believe, in either 23 or 24. Traction, which I believe makes these ThyssenKrupp Evolution. So let's go down to 1. Here's your inspection certificate. Panel's open. Nah, not really. Looked like it was open at first. Stainless steel cab. Send this one up. So one of the lanterns is burned out, and the other one is right here on 2 waiting for us. So let's go to 4. Let's get a quick look at a hallway. This door's shut pretty quickly, so we're gonna call it back down before it leaves us. It's a really tall panel. Kind of reminds me of what they have on OS Gen 2s, but this one goes a lot higher. So stainless steel cab, same as the other one. There it goes, and that'll be it.